Hi, my name is Kathy and I'm a software engineer at Sentry. I'm excited to tell you about our GitHub Copilot integration. If you have a GitHub and a Sentry account, you can now interact with Sentry from the Copilot interface in VSCode and on the GitHub website. Let me show you how I can solve a real Sentry issue using the Sentry Copilot integration in just a few minutes. I have an issue here that I need to fix. It looks like we're trying to call get on an untyped object. I'll tackle this by going into VSCode. So I'll start by creating a GitHub issue from the Sentry issue. I can do this by pasting in the URL and asking the Sentry Copilot agent to create a GitHub issue from it. I'll also create it in the Sentry repo and assign it to myself. Now that I'm tracking the issue, I can go back into VS Code to actually fix it. Here, I'm going to use the Sentry agent to give me a summary of the issue and then pair with Copilot to implement the fix. I'll ask Sentry to remind me of the issue details so I don't have to switch windows to get context. So here, I get a thorough summary of the issue, which includes the error itself, where it's happening in the code down to the file and function, and it even has a suggestion for the root cause of the problem. Now I'm going to ask Copilot to help me generate a fix for the problem given the context that Sentry shared. In this case, the fix looks very straightforward and the suggested fix is perfect, so I can just copy-paste that fix into the code. So you can see how I can go from finding an issue in Sentry to fixing it, without leaving either of the tools that I use day to day. This is just a preview of what the Sentry Copilot integration can do. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned!